How to factory reset from settings for your Google TV streamer 4K. So first I'm going to go back to the main menu. Now on the remote, press and hold on the home button. And from the pop-up menu, you want to press on the center button here, or the select button. Then we'll go into the main settings page. In here, we use the remote and we go down to system. Then press on the select button. And then we go down to about. Then press on the center button. In here we scroll down and then tap on or press on factory reset. And then press on the down and choose factory reset. So on your remote, go ahead and press on the reset button. And then here say erase everything. So you go down and choose erase everything. And at this point, it will basically, if you press on the erase everything, it will go ahead and erase your device. Now at the moment I do not want to erase my device, so I won't press on the erase button, but if you want to go ahead, you can do so. So it said here, you won't be able to undo this action if you go ahead. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.